Everyone is talking about AI that manages your PPC campaign. Google Ads, Meta Ads, TikTok ads, all promising automation, smart bidding, and hands-off scaling. But here's the uncomfortable truth. AI is the reason most businesses are losing more money on ads, not less. And no, the problem isn't AI, the problem is how businesses are using it. In this video, I'll break down 1. What AI actually does well in PPC. 2. What it absolutely cannot do. 3. Why most campaigns fail with AI. 4. And how to use AI to scale profitably instead of burning budget. If you're running ads or planning to, this video will save you money. Let's start with the lie. The lie is, turn on AI and your PPC campaign will manage itself. That sounds great, especially for busy business owners. But here's what actually happens in most accounts I audit. AI optimizes a weak offer. AI scales bad targeting. AI sends traffic to a broken funnel. AI automates inefficiency. And when performance drops, businesses blame the platform. But the platform didn't fail. The strategy did. AI doesn't create strategy. It only executes what you give it. Now let me be clear, AI is powerful. Here's what AI does extremely well in PPC. 1. Real-time bid adjustments. 2. Budget reallocation across audiences. 3. Pattern recognition across massive datasets. 4. Faster A/B testing than any human. 5. Scaling winners quickly. This is why AI is dangerous in the wrong hands. Because it doesn't ask, is this a good idea? It asks, how fast should I optimize this? Garbage in, optimized garbage out. This is where most businesses get it wrong. AI cannot 1. Understand human emotion. 2. Create a compelling offer. 3. Position your brand. 4. Decide what matters to test. 5. Build trust. 6. Design a conversion-driven journey. AI doesn't understand fear, urgency, desire, or trust. People don't buy because an algorithm optimized a bid. They buy because something resonated with them emotionally. And that's human strategy. After auditing hundreds of campaigns, here's the pattern I see. 1. Businesses automate too early. 2. They skip offer validation. 3. They send cold traffic straight to book now. 4. They don't nurture leads. 5. They track vanity metrics. 6. They scale before proving conversion, then they say, AI doesn't work. AI works perfectly. It just works on a broken system. Here's the formula used by top-performing PPC campaigns. Human strategy, AI execution, then human optimization. Let me break that down. 1. Human strategy, offer design, funnel structure, audience intent, messaging and hooks, conversion goals. 2. AI execution, smart bidding, budget allocation, automated testing, scaling winners. 3. Human optimization, reading data contextually, fixing leaks in the funnel, improving offers, adjusting creative angles. This is how you scale profitably, not blindly. When AI is used correctly, here's what happens. 1. CPC drops. 2. Conversion rates rise. 3. Scaling becomes predictable. 4. Decisions become data-driven. 5. Marketing stops feeling like gambling. At that point, AI isn't managing your PPC campaign. It's amplifying your strategy. If you're running ads right now, or planning to, and you want to use AI without burning budget, I offer a full PPC funnel audit where I break down your offer, your funnel, your targeting, your ad structure, your AI setup, and show you exactly where performance is leaking. Comment AI PPC, or DM me. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone running ads. I'll see you in the next one.